In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Shopify pages. Whether you're a seasoned Shopify merchant or completely new to the platform, understanding how to edit and enhance your Shopify pages is essential for creating a compelling online store experience. So, let's dive in and make your Shopify store look truly remarkable. To get started, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. This is your hub for managing everything about your store, from products to pages and everything in between. Now, once you're there, locate and click on the tab labeled Online Store in the navigation pane on the left-hand side. Under this tab, you'll notice the Pages option. Go ahead and click there. You'll be greeted by a list of your existing pages. If you want to edit an existing page, simply click on the title of the page you want to adjust. Let's say you want to create a page from scratch, just click on the button that says Add Page. This allows you to start with a clean slate. Whether you're editing an existing page or creating a new one, you'll see a text editor that looks pretty similar to any word processing software you might have used. At the very top, there's a field where you can input the title of your page. Make sure it's clear, concise, and, most importantly, sets the right tone for what your customers can expect from the content. The richer your title is in keywords, the better it will perform in search engines. Beneath the title, you have a larger text box for the main content. This is your canvas to paint a detailed picture of your store's offerings, your brand story, or any other information critical to your visitors. You can customize this content using various formatting options like bold, italics, lists, and even insert images or links to build a more visually appealing and engaging page. Remember, a well-structured page with easy-to-read content is more likely to retain visitor interest. As you're crafting your page, pay attention to the visibility settings on the right side of the page editor. This determines when your page appears live on your storefront. You can choose to make it visible right away or set it to hidden until it's ready. This is particularly useful for pages that are time-sensitive or need final approvals before they go public. Before you finish, don't forget about the SEO settings underneath the main text editor. Customizing your SEO settings can significantly impact your page's discoverability in search engines. Here, you can edit the page title and meta description, which are crucial for search engine optimization. Once you're satisfied with your edits, take a moment to preview your page by clicking the View button at the top to ensure everything looks good. When you're ready, hit the Save button. Congratulations, you've just successfully edited a Shopify page. Thanks for tuning into this guide. Editing pages on Shopify is a straightforward process and, with practice, can be a very rewarding part of managing your online store. Remember, your website is a reflection of your brand, so take the time to create content that resonates with your audience and represents you well. Happy editing!